future ahead for Mason County, and I want to put my broad and comprehensive range of experiences to work in bringing the people together to build that future that we all want and deserve. My husband and I operate a water utility management business, Jeffries Management Services. I was the former director of the Shelton Mason County Chamber of Commerce, so I know the challenges that our local businesses have competing in this three-county economic region. I have 10 years experience in both tax and fiscal policy and local government policy, working through the Association of Realtors, bringing people together with city councils and county commissions across the Olympic Peninsula regions to develop policies, to develop a high quality of life. I know how government's run, I know how it's funded, and I can hit the ground running when you elect me county commissioner. Thank you very much.
I'm Randy Churchill, and I am running for County Commissioner of District 2. I thank everybody for attending tonight. It shows me that you are interested in what's going on. My leadership skills come from my unselfish community involvement. When I was 28 years old, I was actually the charter president of Shelton JC's, Shelton Junior Chamber of Commerce. From there I went on to be the president of Christmastown Kiwanis Club. I was co-founder and president of St. Clair County's Kids Youth Center. I was co-founder and president of Crossroads Youth Center. So my community involvement there is where I want to be. I want to be involved with every one of you. I've been born and raised here in Mason County, worked here all my life. My wife and I have been married for 24 years now. We own a small farm in Skokomish Valley. We've got deep roots here. I love my community. I have a passion for this community, and I want to see it run right. I'm going to see everybody benefit from it. And I want to listen to the people of this county. I've got 28 years of real estate experience where I've mastered the art of compromise and negotiation. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Mark Corr, and I'm running for County Commissioner also. I've lived here the majority of my life, went through school here, see a lot of familiar faces out there in the audience. My wife Tracy and I have been married since 1989. We have two boys that I'm extremely proud of, Skylar Corr and Hunter Corr. Skylar just graduated from they're great kids. I talk about them way more than a minute if I had the opportunity. But I'm running for County Commissioner because I know I can get in there, I know I can make a difference, and a couple things that separate me from the other candidates that are out there is the fact that I've got over a decade experience working in Mason County and working directly with the county commissioners and with in the boardroom and in charge of enforcing the ICC building regulations, the WAC, the RCW, the numerous codes that have to be interpreted. And I know that I'm the only candidate with that experience that's willing to give a full-time commitment. I can guarantee that, and I'm ready to hit the ground and go to work. Thank you very much.
I'm Rosalind Reed, and I'm running for Mason County Commissioner District 2. Thank you to our sponsors, and thank all of you for coming out, because that's very important that you participate in your government. I was born in Shelton in 1952 and spent all of my time, my education and work experience outside of the county, however. But when I retired in 1997 from the Federal Aviation Administration, I returned here and became a volunteer for a variety of community issues. I'm currently on the Canal School Board. I've got 25 years of federal level experience, both administrative and management. I think qualifications do count when we're talking about a public service job. So I look forward to your support, and thank you.
Good evening, I'm Tim Sheldon. I'm the only incumbent up here tonight. Just a couple observations. There's 14 candidates running for county commissioner. That's the most of any county in the state. And obviously you want someone with experience and not just the ability to put up a lot of signs on the highway. I've voted on 22 state budgets and 7 county budgets. Those are over $60 million here at the county. Many of you are business people. I am too. I run my own family's business, as well as getting some top ratings from people for my business experience. I do have a degree in economics from the Wharton School at the University of Pennsylvania and a master's in business administration. We are facing a flat economy, there's no doubt about that, but even with that flat economy, since 2004, we've been able to increase the sheriff's budget 24%. And that's because we've right-sized the government, we've decreased the amount of employees we have, there's been a lot of consolidations, and maybe I can tell you a little bit more about that later when I have more time. Thank you.